Friends, welcome back to the Vani video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we disable talkback in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to disable your talkback setting in your Infinix phone, so then how can you disable it? In this video friends, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, you will have to guys scroll with your screen with your two fingers. Guys, click on your phone setting icon, click here. You can see this type setting guys, scroll with your two fingers. Special function setting is two finger tap here, accessibility tap here, talk back. Use talk back, stop talk back. So your talk back will disable means off in your Infinix phone. Then guys you can use your phone without any problem guys. Talk back will disable. So like that guys you can disable your talk back in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching.